Here we have a chicken snake that's gotten all tangled up in some netting, and we're gonna rescue him and let him live to see another day.
Another chicken.
Or eat another chicken. Maybe he'll eat some rats and save us some rat problems. Now, we don't have any chickens at the other farm, so we're gonna take him over there. Okay, Mr. Man, hold on. He's trying to get away, but he can't go nowhere. He's all tangled up in this netting. Here, let me see if I can hold it away for you. Okay, big boy, you're getting away here. We gotta get you rescued.
He moved and I stabbed him that time.
Uh-oh. He'll make it. Maybe. There's still one right there behind you, that one.
Yeah, I got a bunch of them right here.
We'll get them first before we get his head out. Then after you got his head out, I gotta hold his head. It's okay, Mr. Man. Hold on. We're trying. He's trying his best to get away, bless his heart. He or she, whatever it is. Ooh, you did get him good. Good little slice there. Maybe it'll heal up. It's okay, baby. The ducks are not happy with you getting him loose. They're saying, what the crap are you doing? No, no, not him. Still one right there. I think there's one right there, baby. Yeah, see it? Yeah.
There's Doug again right there.
Hold this part. It looks like there's still one right there. No, don't get your tail over there and get tangled in some more. You little crapper. Get out of there. I'm running through some more over here. Get down there. Whew, I don't know if we ever gonna get him loose. He's better than he was, but still a lot of stuff home. Yeah. Well, he was wrapping himself. Yeah, he was wrapping himself back around that, running his tail back through this wire. Maybe you could get it right there on top of his head. Yeah.
Something behind his jaw right there.
Can you get it right there? Right there. It's down in there pretty darn deep. There we go. Is he out now? Yep, he's out. Little man, you just had a rough time, didn't you? There, you're all right.
Maybe he'll be all right.
Yeah, he'll probably be all right. Getting himself up a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna set it up here.
You can get it sit there on the.
Yeah, I need to put it on in the trash can. That'll be enough, ain't it? Yeah. Okay, good. One down, one saved. Thank you, honey. You're a sweetie.